All right, I am constructing a way to attach my tomatoes to these long green poles. I don't have any of those tomato clips, and I keep thinking I'm going to go to the store and get some tomato clips. Do I? No. So I'm like, I have all this stuff. So I'm using this to brace it to the pole, and then I'm using this to hold the actual tomato plant. And this is pretty soft, so it shouldn't damage the tomato plant. I have 2 tomato plants here, which is probably a mistake. But by the time I realized, well, no, I knew there were 2 plants. I'm like, I'm just gonna grow 2 plants next to each other. And now I can't separate them. The only thing I could do now is just cut one. Just cut it off at the base and let it die. But I thought, well, you know what? I'm gonna grow 2 of them side by side. So this is what I've done. Hopefully I can get it. I know I've got a lot of weeds here. So I have the green twisty attached to the pole real tight, and then I made a hoop. There we go. And then I attached these to that hoop. And I don't know how well that will work. When it gets really tall, this green stuff might just slide down the pole. That's my worry. So I'm gonna do that to this guy. I have one other one here. That's why I'm not so worried the fact that there are 2 tomato plants over there, because I have this 3rd one. All right, so I'm gonna get that attached there. All right, let's see if we can get this one up here. Looping this through the hoop. All right, so did the same thing. I've got the twisty on the pole, and then I have this softer product that's actually a Velcro holding the actual tomato plant up like that. My little strawberry plant is producing strawberries. I already ate 2 of them. And here, look at my pea pods. These are supposed to be self-supporting peas. That's great and all, but I went ahead and bought this trellis. And we'll see what happens. This is my zucchini plant. And this is what I do with my zucchini plants. I put them inside a tomato cage. And what that does is keep the leaves up off the ground and can, if you're lucky, help prevent the zucchini bugs or whatever attaching themselves to it. Or if they do, it makes it super easy to find them, and you just cut them out and they're gone. Oh yeah. See, I already have a zucchini growing right here. So that's the female, and there's the male. So hopefully I'll get the male version will open. This is a cucumber plant. I got a little cucumber. I gave up on it. I really did. I like, this thing is not growing. The second one didn't grow, but look, it's trying. Oh, there's another sucker I almost missed. Get out of there, you sucker. Okay. I'm gonna have so many potatoes. Here are my beans. I'm gonna have to start. They're too close together, but I planted it like this to try and get the best plant. So I think I could probably grow 3 here, maybe 4. So ideally, this would be good if that was the good one, but it's not. This one's probably okay. They're getting eaten a little bit by bugs. So I'm probably gonna pull this one. Probably, just did. Yeah, look at that. I am hopeful that this corn does well. So this is a bush cucumber plant, which I guess means it doesn't need a trellis. My beets are almost done. I've been giving them to the chickens. Now I'm trying to figure out what I can plant there.